Hi friends, I'd like to share something close to my heart, my very own single dose. Zero retention coffee grinder. Designed and crafted by me. Dinh Tuan Hieu. This grinder is all about keeping things fresh and precise. Why is zero retention important? It means no leftover grounds. So every grind is fresh and uncontaminated, preserving the true flavor of your coffee beans. This feature makes it ideal for coffee cupping, where precision and consistency are key to evaluating the unique profiles of different beans. I put my passion for coffee into every detail of this grinder, and I hope it brings joy and clarity to your coffee tasting experiences.